Ngut Kibrio kila Mynsaw, bat kawe ke Dukan Sha kala Praphum, Mynta ke Sngi, hadian ba kawe ke Kali Swift, kala Leit Tynrah ke Dukan Sha kabadan harut surak ba National Highway 6, hak shnong Umdihar Ribhoi District. Kat kong ke jingte belayolum, laong ba kani ke jingja kala dia, hakapor kumba khat RBG AA Mynta ke Sngi, hakaba ke take Swift, kabadon U number AS not UA GQ, R not Saw not, kadang mi na Shillong bniah shigoti, Hindoi andapoy hakate ke jaka unongnya umla bante lakam ya kali bat Leit Tynrah abed ya kate ke dukan hadu balai ngut ki samla ki badang bamja kila Mynsaw balapin kit no Nongpoh civil hospital na ke benta ke jing sumar.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.